Hi there. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. I just finished work. What did you do today?
I went to the market and bought some groceries. What about you?
Nice. I had a meeting in the morning, and then I went to the gym. I love staying active.
That sounds great. I need to start exercising more. How often do you go to the gym?
I try to go 3 times a week. It helps me stay healthy and energized.
That's awesome. I should join you sometime. By the way, do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I do. I find it relaxing. I made a delicious pasta for dinner last night.
Wow, that sounds tasty. I usually just order takeout. Can you share the recipe with me sometime?
Of course. It's super easy. Just some pasta, tomato sauce, and your favorite veggies.
Sounds doable. Thanks. Maybe we can cook together sometime.
That sounds like a plan. Let me know when you're free.
Definitely. I'm usually free on weekends. Speaking of weekends, any plans for this one?
Not much, just catching up on some reading and maybe watching a movie. How about you?
I was thinking of exploring the city a bit. There's a new museum that opened recently. Interested in joining?
That sounds like fun. I love museums. What kind of exhibits do they have?
It's an art museum, showcasing both traditional and contemporary pieces. I heard it's quite impressive.
Count me in. I enjoy art, and it's a great way to spend the weekend.
Awesome. We can grab lunch afterward. There's a nice café nearby. What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I'm open to anything, but I do love Italian. How about you?
Italian works for me. Pasta twice in 1 week won't hurt, right?
Haha, not at all. Looking forward to it. Let me know the details, and we'll make it a plan.
Sounds like a plan. I'll message you the details. Can't wait for the weekend.
Me too. It's going to be a great time.